Hi, today we're going to put the FOR9T work light to the test. Okay, so the test is a ball drop test, pendulum test. So the string is 128 centimeters. The ball is 1.5 kilos. So we will start with 30 degrees drop, then 45-degree drop, and then we have a 60-degree drop to see how the light withstands the force of the impact. So let's begin. Here goes the 30-degree test. No problem at all. Okay, let's go for the 45-degree drop. Absolutely nothing happened with the light. Okay, so let's go for the 60-degree test. It's about here, and off we go. Here we have some small on the outer surface of the light, but no impact on the light directly, and we will test so it still works. And everything works absolutely perfect. So the 60-degree test was no issue at all for the light. You get a small scratch on the front. So just to put the light into some more test, to more brutal force, we lowered the table here. This is not the normal setup. We're normally not in the studio when we do the tests, but we will manage. So we will try and start with 45 degrees, and now the string is 155 centimeters. So 45 degrees, let's go. Okay, so you thought it would break? No, just the connector got loose. So no problem at all, no direct impact from the light on the lens. We will try the 60-degree ball drop. It will be around here. So let's go. No difference at all. So everything is exactly the same as before, and all the functions are working. Yeah, so normally we do all kinds of different tests depending on the product and where it's going to be used. Impact test, water tests. We also test the quality of the light, the beam pattern, so everything is up to our standard and all the figures are correct that we present to you. We are doing everything we can to make the products be in the best quality we can, so it will be the best choice for you. And if you want to see other tests of other lights, different tests, different lights, just comment down below and we will try and do some more tests for you. Thank you.